So I'm going to share a tip with you how you can reset your ambient temperature sensor if they become faulty. This step will work or maybe it will not work for you. As always saying, there is no harm in trying. So if your ambient temperature sensor is faulty and you need to reset those, please try this tip. Go onto your climate control panel, push AC and recirculate button at the same time and keep pressing for 5 to 10 seconds and then release it. Your ambient temperature sensor will reset. I hope this will fix your problem, and if it does and it bring a smile on your face, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And for delicious cooking, please always visit my channel, Easy Steps, as you can see. Thank you guys. I will see you with another video. Thank you. Bye.